Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh. You are watching Dinesh programming channel. And now today we'll discuss about the Numpy. Now first let we know what is Numpy. Numpy stands for numerical Python and it is a Python extension and it is a library consisting of multiple array objects, that is 2D, 3D objects. Dimensional arrays can be created by Numpy and it will extend the Python into high level language for manipulating data. And now we'll see the features of the Numpy. First feature is the high performance and then integrating code from C to C++, and multi-dimensional container means I have said previously 2D and 3D like that, and broadcasting functions work with varied databases and additional linear algebra means in this it consists of linear algebra inbuilt functions. Now we'll see the uses, and you can see here arithmetic operations, statistical operations, bitwise operation. These will be used in 3D arrays. These operations can be also done on 3D arrays, so that way it is giving copying view arrays, static, matrix operations, linear operations, broadcasting, mathematical operations, and searching and sorting. And now here we will see some more uses, main uses. That is, it is used for mathematical and numerical operations in an array, and it is used for Fourier transformer also. And as said, linear algebra and random numbers. Numpy will have inbuilt functions.